Hello guys, I am Parveen Kumar and today I will teach you some editing exercises. Student editing exercises are very important at the standard 9, 10th and in all the competitions these exercises play a very important role. So students who are preparing for board exam and competitive exam these exercises they should go through. Now for students I will tell you first important thing that before solving any editing exercise you all should go from the very first to the last line and make sure yourself that in which tense the story is written, like this story is written in the past, and you also make sure yourself that who is the subject, because as per the subject you are required to bring some changes in the auxiliaries. Let us start solve this exercise with complete explanation. Look, here it is. uh, Kalpana Chawla was at the top, not at the, here it will come on the top of the newspaper, not in the newspaper. She, you may use in like you have read this news in report in newspaper, but not here. On the top of the newspaper, she lost her life, not in, within a very short span of time. She hailed from, she not by, she hailed from a small town. And where is town? In Karnal, not of Karnal, not in Karnal, but unfortunately she died by, not by, along with. Now next, let us start this next. Tsunami is a series of tsunami is a series of waves generated in a body of water, not from, of water, through an impulsive. And students, through we use when there is pipe or something else, but here of water by, not through, by an impulsive disturbance causing property damage and loss of life, not in, of life. They are referred to, if it is referred to as, it is compulsory, as tidal waves. Waves at, not below, under the influence. Next exercise. The metro rail system is unique, not through, in. As I told you, through is used when we have the description of pipe or something else and we have to go through that. Is unique in the whole world. People of Delhi, here we will use of. People of Delhi and of neighboring states will enjoy this unique facility. No mistake. The metro station at Connaught Place is equivalent, when it is equivalent to, always to, equivalent to the Victoria Terminal in the well placed in the well placed central London. Next exercise. The problem of unemployment in India is very serious. Here it is written for provide. No, to provide jobs to increasing population rapidly increasing population is very difficult. No mistake. All the countries of the world are facing the same. It is written from to, no, about to crores are partly employed, they can be provided, no mistake here in this line, provided opportunities to engage themselves in spinning and handloom industries. Next exercise, environment pollution has posed. Here environment pollution has posed a series, no mistake here, a series threat to not only to man but also to, not among we will use when we are distributing something more than two, to all living beings. Poverty and population are the, no mistake, worst polluters of environment. Here it is during, no, in older times needs were limited. The increase in population and fast development of cities are the main culprits. Yes bachcho, if you like my video, subscribe it and like it, and if you have uh, any problem you may write in the comment box. Thank you.